Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Your girl Penny Ambekunyiwete. To my returning subbies, thank you so much. I'm really grateful for the support. To my new subbies, thank you, and I hope you stay and I hope you like. And yeah, man, let's build this. So today is a Saturday morning. So I work on Saturdays. Yes, I work from Monday to Saturday. So today I'll be starting at 9. So now it's around about 7 right now. I have to get ready. I'm still in bed with my nugget. How is my day planned out today? So I'm doing my very first vlog and I'm quite nervous because it's something I've never done before. I'm just pushing myself. Hey guys, I'm pushing myself with this content creation thing. I have to push myself out of my comfort zone, yeah man, practice makes perfect. I'm quite nervous. Imagine vlogging in public. Like I wouldn't go. So ma'am Ewa. So yeah guys, let me go get ready. Let's get this. My water to pass. So I'm going to get ready guys. I have to bath. I'm just gonna get my soap. Kenny, eat your food. Kenny hates eating guys. So I got this from my boss. This is my soap now. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a German name, but it smells really good. And this is my soap, Gentle Magic. I mean, who doesn't use this? This is the plug, and this is what I use for my face. The best of the best. Let's go bath. See you on the flip side. And guys, so I'm walking to the bus stop. To go to work. Yo, I feel like I lost weight because the tights look so loose. I wish I could show you guys my full outfit. Yeah, I'll show you guys when I get at the bus stop. I don't want my phone to get gripped off. There's two right here, so it's the hood, my dear. See you on the flip side. Oh, ela telemomo man. No problem. Finally at work. Yeah, I'm always the first one here. Let me open. Finally at work. So the very first thing that I do, I put water in the bucket. As you can see, I use this cloth to clean the windows, and then this is what I use for the floor, the pine gel. You guys are not gonna clean with me, just because I'm just quite overprotective to showing people what I do, the kind of job that I do at work. I mean, not everyone is happy for you, right? But that's a story for another day. So guys, we are finally done cleaning. Sorry, my hands are quite dry. But yeah, so after cleaning, what do? I just sit, my work is it's very relaxing. I'm not gonna lie, I don't do much, and it's the best part. But anywho, while I'm sitting here, I just wanted to touch on something. The reasons why I use the minibus, it's just convenient, guys. It's fast, it's reliable. Like the taxi, you'll have to dry. It likes going to other places. And it's quite slow, man. You won't reach at the specific time that you want to reach, So taxis, I mean, minibuses are the best. Yes. One thing about me, I really don't care. Like, I don't have a car. There's no time. Shita for who? Like, seriously, you don't have a car and you're trying to be there. No. For me, the most important part, it's me going from point A to point B. On period. I don't have time to be stressing myself. Yes, there are really reckless drivers, but they will get you fast. They will get you at your destination very fast. So what am I gonna do now? I'm just gonna watch. Okay, no, I'm gonna pray. Then after praying, I'm gonna be watching a show on Netflix. I don't know if I'm late, but yeah, I really love it. And then I'm gonna take you guys along after work. For now, I really have no content to show, but yeah, man, you guys are just gonna see me after work. Then after work, I forgot to insert this part. After work, I'm gonna walk to the mall because I'm gonna pick up my son's cake. Last week Sunday it was his birthday, so we're celebrating it this weekend. I ordered it yesterday at Pick n Pay. Yes, so I'm gonna meet my mom and my son in town. Yeah, man, that's all basically. That's what I'm gonna show you guys. But for now, I'm out. Ojo. Oui, mon appel.
Allez, capa. Et si j'aime pas la tout ça, quel est le street là, quel est le tête du non, non, pas pour la.
La kenni.
Yo, puis tu es un peu toi.
Attends, ni pendi ne pevi.
Yo, toka diamant.
La kenni. Taloni meshini. Tashwa kaka. Lanzi kufaneke. Ubafane kwano?
The granny.
The granny. Wow. 4 years. Wow. Amigo Michel Pombad. Wow. Ila uli tali. I don't know, Meme. Wow, ano lutafane kwa? Atui. Guys, I'm finally in the mall. Wow.
It's nice. Atu di tan. Di tan.
Like, share, subscribe.
Oh, we manapo. We manapo.
You have ice cream, right?
We manapo.
I'm working in Pick and Pay to go collect the cake. Collect the cake.
Lord only knows what it took to making you like a blossom of a tree or the color of a jewel. So divine is the feeling that I find, like a sweet mountain breeze and a fragment of my mind. I said, darling, you are all I.
Okay guys, so I'm currently waiting for my mom. She went to buy potatoes and sugar. She went in Pick and Pay. So I'm just sitting here waiting for them. If they went before me. What's the cake? Hey guys, let me stop vlogging. I look weird. Okay, see you on the flip side. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May the light of the Lord shine on you. Happy birthday. May the light of the Lord shine on you. Happy birthday to you. What is the candle? 4 years, ma. Tapa 3 or 5. Was it cute?
Katalonjile.
One to the salon.
Onjilo shike.
Kapala konjile.
Onjilo. Omo keri moskopa yangi onjilo.
Happy birthday to you.
Nema wakwalu ni dola dihat.
I will tell her. But we wish you happy birthday. We wish you Merry Christmas. Aku tu ang piano. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Yippee!
Hooray!
Ninggalnya Fujila. Fujila? Natang.
Yay! Kelly boy!
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Kalau we, tadi subscribe,
Subscribe.
like, share.
Share.
Tadi from me
For me
and my family.
and my family.
Lord only knows what it took to making you
Bye-bye.
like a blossom of a tree or the color of a jewel. So